Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by safeguarding your system and data. Create a system restore point and copy essentials to an external drive because repairs can change files. Once done, disable third-party antivirus. It can block operations, and launch the Windows Repair tool with administrator rights. This grants full access to system services. Make sure the machine is on stable power and connected to the internet so the tool can fetch components. Now you're ready to detect errors and move to targeted repairs without delay. You now configure what the tool does. Start with a full scan to list problems, then choose the recommended repair modules. Don't run everything blindly. Before executing, back up the registry and build a repair queue that includes System File Checker, SFC, and DISM commands. This repairs corrupted files and component stores. Use advanced options to reset Windows services, fix file and registry permissions, and only if needed. Rebuild the boot configuration data. These steps address deeper startup and stability. Finish by rebooting and verifying that Windows starts cleanly. Check Task Manager for abnormal services and run Windows Update and driver updates to stabilize the system. Once satisfied, re-enable your antivirus and make a fresh system restore point so you can roll back later if needed. If something goes wrong, symptoms like boot loops or freezes, boot into safe mode and rerun the Windows Repair tool or perform targeted manual repairs. That safe mode retry is the key troubleshooting tip if the normal run fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.